Hundreds of thousands of low-income Florida residents face the danger of being dropped from their health insurance. It's because a rule that kept people on Medicaid throughout the pandemic has now expired, and many families may no longer be eligible.
News 6 investigator Eric Sandoval found out this is already affecting some local families. Eric?
Yeah, good evening, guys. They are calling this Medicaid unwinding, and these families are basically receiving emails just like this one from the Department of Children and Families. But we found out these emails are actually causing some confusion. We actually helped get results for one family who is going through the unthinkable. To watch 7-year-old Landon play in his Orlando backyard,
Steady, go!
You'd never know he was battling leukemia.
Ow!
1, 2, 3.
His mother Erin chronicled his fight on Instagram,
We're doing really good, Landon.
dubbing her son Landon the Conqueror. She says Medicaid saved his life.
I would have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for my son's treatment for his last treatment of chemo.
Do you have that money?
No.
Her family received Medicaid under a federal program that allowed millions of Americans to continue to get medical care throughout the pandemic, whether they qualified for Medicaid or not. But the program expired on April 1st, and those who are not eligible are starting to get dropped from coverage. It's a process they're calling Medicaid unwinding. Erin got this email from the Florida Department of Children and Families.
It was an email saying that my Medicaid is due to expire on April 30th, 2023.
But her account online said her coverage was good until March of 2024.
When you opened that email and saw what it said, what went through your mind?
I was like, how am I going to cover my son that has cancers, the rest of his treatment and his OT and PT services?
We cut through the confusion. We contacted DCF and we confirmed her family's Medicaid coverage is good through next year.
If I got that letter, I would be calling everyone and their mother trying to figure out what I'm going to do next.
Christina Russo-Walters is with Community Legal Services of Mid-Florida. She is trying to help families who may find themselves in a similar situation.
Do you think this is going to catch a lot of people unexpectedly?
Yes. There's actually some concern that the first time folks will find out they no longer have Medicaid benefits is when they go to receive services. So when they show up at the pharmacy to go get their asthma inhaler, they might find out that there's no longer benefits coverage.
She fears this could impact more than 1 million Florida residents. And that's why she's urging people who are on Medicaid right now to log on to their accounts to make sure their contact information is correct. If you get a notice from your insurer, respond to it. And if you have questions, ask them now. Don't wait.
I just hate for any other families that have this situation going on with them. Some might even just started treatment or just, have a child that has a lifelong threatening illness for the rest of their lives. And they have to worry about how they're going to pay for their treatment or how they're going to get coverage.
All right, so here's the good news. We found out that there are other health options available for these families. You may not even know about them. If this affects you, Community Legal Services of Mid-Florida is getting some of these organizations together so people can learn about them later on this month. We put the details on our website, clickorlando.com. Just look for the investigators. And we also want to hear from you. Are you going through this or a similar situation? Email us the details on what you're experiencing and how we can help you get results. The email's there on your screen, theinvestigators@WKMG.com.
Wow, what a terrifying thought for any family.
Can you imagine
in that
being
situation?
that mother?
I can't. No, I do want to know, how is Landon doing, though?
Okay, so this is also good news. He has his final chemotherapy appointment coming up, and that's why Mom was so concerned about not having insurance. He also has some at-home treatments, though, which cost $2,000 a month. Again, the good news, doctors say his prognosis is very, very good. So
Landon the Conqueror.
love it.
I like that, Eric
Yeah.
Sandoval. Thank you so much.